Cristo. The score 31-30, 1 point lead na lang. Dilata umatake. What a nice layup. Good for 2 points. Long pass to Golby. Touchdown Golby. Oh my God. Good for 2 points. Golby. Ibarra ng bola. Pass to Sinan. Pass to Lantixi. 14 to shoot. Pass na ilalim. Huli. Talikeo Sinan. Bumugol. Mintes. Bakwa ni Golby. Ito na Golby. Good for 2 points. Golby.
Weh, lamang na kita, weh.
Lamang na ang orange team. Lantixi, babawi sa tres. Mintes, konti ng rebound. Wala pa rin. Big rebound. By jersey number 4. By jersey number 0. Golby, pass to Rizal. Wala. Golby pa rin. Good for 2 points. Golby. Ochinang, sampai pop.
Discount.
Ochinang! 3 points, Ochinang.
Nice score.
Di belakang skor, 36 all. Gandang laban, kalibon to Golby. Wala. Ochinang, pass to Kipan.
Good.
Sini Murado, good for 2 points. Kipan. Elvera, pass to Golby. Golby, wala. Ochinang rebound. Long pass to Kipan na naman. Ay, sayang. Rebound Elvera. Pass to Golby. Pass to Kalibon. Sino naman? Silarta, pass to Ochinang. Ochinang! What a bomb shot by Ochinang. Kalibon. Pass to Golby. Good for 2 points. Golby.
Pulpira man si click ko lang ito din.
Score 41-30. 3 points lead. Red team. 40 to shoot. Ochinang ngayon may hawak. Pumugol na naman. Short. Kalibon na naman.
Patay.
Ito na. Tinigro. Ochinang. Ito na. Pumugol.
Adi na kasi. Nice.
Good for 2 points. Lapenes. Jersey number 0. Elvera. 48 to shoot. Tinigro pumugol. Good for 2 points.
Terbal yang jam eh.
Ilang tawag na bola. Napagbasahan po to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ilang tawag matake. Hukya. Tuwaro na isa. Good for 2 points. Pilata. Ito na naman. Ilang tawag na bola. Pass to Gravenes. Ayawan. Steam. Takwa ni Ochinang. 14 to shoot. Ochinang. Yes. What a nice pass by Lantixi. Good for 2 points. Tinegro, 14 to shoot. Anak pagkabasahan. 10 to shoot. Short Pantera. Lantixi rebound. Seconds to play. 55 seconds remaining. Ochinang, pass to Gravenes. Gravenes!
Ini ko naroon sunod na ito. Oh.
Gravenes, 1 point. Bola kayo ng orange team. Cenebro, balik kay Kalimpon. Pass to Olivera. Kalimpon! Nice layup. Good for 2 points. 40 seconds remaining. For the third frame. 35 seconds. 30 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Machinang to Olivera. Tulan Tikse. Mintes. Rebound. 20 seconds. Cenebro.
Patay.
Olivera. Mintes. Wala kayo ng red team. Bilyata umatake sa Islam. Short. Wala. Kalimpon. Pagoli. Wala ka. Raise down. Dolphy. Good ball. 2 points. Wala kayo ng red team. Rebellia mga bola. 2 na lang ang kalabangan. Rebellia.
Open no?
Hanap ng kapasahan. Steal na naman ni Kalimpon. So, Dolphy. Wala. Good for 2 points. 6-0 run ang ginawa ng orange team. Rebellia babawi. Good for 2 points. Rebellia. Orange team. Kalimpon dumidiskarte. Kinasa sa kalaban. Rebellia kaso ng Nixie. Grabanet. Gravines. Good for 2 points. Grabanet. Rizal, pass to Kalimpon. Kalimpon na naman, umatake. Kalimpon! Lantiksin, pass to Bilyata. Bilyata ngayon mga tumbola. Pass to Rebellia. Rebellia, umatake na naman. Ganda ng Rebellia. Good for 2 points. Rebellia. Ipak Rebellia. Cenebro. Pass to Kalimpon. Rebellia. Pass to Cenebro. To Gravines. Walang kalaban-laban. Good. Bilyata. Mintes. Bilyata again. Kalimpon diba? Dolphy pass to Cenebro. Cenebro, hanap ng kabasahan.
3 seconds.
Last 3 minutes for the final period.
Patay na.
Kimpan, diniretso na! Kalimpon. Pass to Perulino. Long pass to Rizal. To Kalimpon. Ay, 2 minutes and 14 seconds for the last period. Rebellia.
Wow.
Dumiretso na. Pero mintis ang layup. Kalimpon. 2 versus Race. Pass to Kimpan. Kimpan ngayon. Long pass to Lantikse. Behind the back pass to Gravines. Cenebro ngayon ng bola. Pass to Kalimpon. Steal by Ochinang. Block by Cenebro. Gravines put back. Good for 2 points. Kimpan to Gravines. Last 2 minutes. Inog ng bola. Pass to Kalimpon. Kalimpon. Good for 2 points. Kalimpon. Kimpan ngayon nag-break. Kimpan to Ochinang. What a nice layup. Good for 2 points. Ochinang. Long pass. Steal na naman. Ochinang. Mintes. Ochinang again. Good for 2 points. Ochinang. Rizal.
Rizon. Pass to Kalipon to Rizon. Good for 2 points. Last one. Red team. Kinbanyang ng bola. 14 to shoot. Lantiksi to grab Venus. Shoot ang layup. Foul pass to Rizon. Pumugaw ng long one. Mintes. Seconds to play. Rebellia. 2 points. Nice. Nakuha ni Kimpan. 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. Steal by Kalipon.
Kinakajat lilo.
35 seconds. Lantikse. Good for 2 points. 29 seconds. 20 seconds.